Hi friend, what is going on in the world of technology? The first news. Elon Musk grilled over Grok AI's response quoting OpenAI policy. Here's what he said. Grok AI attributed OpenAI's policy which got everyone talking. Elon Musk has shown its AI ambitions with the launch of Grok AI chatbot earlier this month, which is available if you pay for the X Premium Plus service. Musk has been a critical part of the AI revolution over the years. And you cannot forget his influence in the growth of OpenAI and in turn the role has played in the success of ChatGPT. Why you should delete these 17 feet dangerous apps on your phone. Millions of users warned to delete dangerous apps immediately. Another warning has just been issued for users to delete dangerous apps on their phones, after security researchers found an alarming number of malware-laced finance apps which had been installed on millions of devices. If you have any of the apps listed below, delete them immediately. Windows 11 will soon make it easy to share through WhatsApp. Elon Musk's new AI system is already pushing conspiracy theories. Elon Musk gave X Premium subscribers access to Grok, the platform's AI chatbot, on Friday, December 8th, and it's already pushing misinformation and conspiracy theories. One of Grok's biggest selling points is that it is designed to integrate with X and draw information from users' posts in order to have access to real-time events around the world. Microsoft Outlook power users unable to send emails if they have more than 500 subfolders in their primary email account. Google's Gemini AI hints at the next great leap for the technology. Analyzing real-time information disclosure statement. Google has launched Gemini, a new artificial intelligence (AI) system that can seemingly understand and talk intelligently about almost any kind of prompt, pictures, text, speech, music, computer code and much more. This type of AI system is known as a multimodal model. For new technology information, subscribe my channel, like, comment, share to all people. Thank you.